Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on the horizon. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to London, especially in Whitechapel, our Bangladeshi area, and I'm now in Hampshire at Leipzig, and I'm traveling from here to all the way to London, and I will share with you whole journey from here to Whitechapel. So let's enjoy it. So now I collected the ticket and waiting for train. Is the train time is 9 past 11. So the train usually comes exact time. It's not like a Bangladesh time, like a train is half 11, they come like a half 12, 1, even 1 o'clock. But in this country, if it's half 10, it will come half 10, unless there is big issue in the train line. Otherwise the train will come exact time. So that's the beauty of the UK's traveling experience. Here you go. Now train is approaching at train station, and I can see it. As I said to you, usually train come exact time is 9 past 11, and train now approaching. So let's get on the train and enjoy the inside of the train experience. Now I'm in the train, enjoying the train journey, and the train has 8 coaches and fully air conditioning. You can see outside the sunny, stunning weather. I like this weather while I'm traveling, and the train is very quiet inside. Nobody talk except me. I'm talking now. But I really like traveling by train.
This is Whitley. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Milford.
I just let you know, from Depot to Waterloo it takes 1.5 hours. I feel a little bit boring that long hour, but it's alright. It's good to see outside. It's nice, stunning weather, and while I'm traveling, then I just listen to music, and then I feel I feel energetic, and then I don't feel too much boring, and it's okay. When you're traveling, you have to be patient and sit down. You have to wear a face mask every times, otherwise you have to pay hefty fine, which is £6,400 maximum fine applies. So have to be careful about that. Let's have a look.
Face covering on our trains and at our stations.
I'm nearly
Please remember to socially
London
distance
Waterloo.
where possible.
The train is nearby Clapham Junction, and it takes around 5-10 minutes to reach my final destination. So I'm feeling good after 2 months. I'm going to London. Nowadays it's very difficult to travel because of some restriction. I'm in London Waterloo, the final destination. So I'm heading towards underground train.